Hey class, I am really excited for our math subject this week. This week's math is something that's a little bit new. We have worked with it before, but not for a while. So this is what we're going to be talking about. We are going to be talking about subtraction. And if you're not quite sure what that means, or if you can't remember, I am going to give you a story so that you can practice what I'm meaning. So let's pretend that I have 4 dominoes that I'm playing with. I'm stacking them up. I'm playing with them. Well, I had to go and get a snack. And while I went and got a snack, my little boy took 2 of my dominoes. How many dominoes do I have left? If you answered 2, then you are correct. And guess what? You just did a subtraction story. We're going to be learning about some first of all, the way that a subtraction problem looks, and second of all, strategies that help you solve subtraction problems. So I am really excited for our topic this week, and I look forward to seeing you in our daily meetings, and I look forward to hearing about your math activities. Have a great day.